will be one making a kunu no was in Kedo to Adio Kim by Abiaquanosa Sabia because enough for video never can anywhere. Na you quite go see the lie. When you were good, when you were fenoke. Kidi Hemen Jabiano was thinking that this video in Aquarina is an eye opener to everybody. It's like an open challenge to Soludo. Yago, Nebuchadnezzar. Soludo is trying to become a god that he is not. He rather become a deity. Soludo Gente. If you hear this guy who on this video, and I urge everybody because for this video, Kabaru share ya koga widely. Kabaru share ya ko nwe kigini koga viral. Kabaru share ya ko onye ozo we nwe kemegene na afọ ihe na afọ na this channel today. Kidi hemenje kuli henne ku that na a governor like Soludo is trying to impose himself. Now, let us be practical. There are so many states. There are so many states na nearby. Nazia observe, sit at home. And Nazia observe here. And the sit at home therefore, traders are not complaining. Traders are not complaining about it. Traders are not complaining. Secondly, Obulugo the way of their life. That this thing has become a day has set it out to honor somebody that they love so much. And then my Forces Remembrance Day, which in a Soludo in Ghana. My uncle Nigerian. Because those are the heroes that, Mwalo Ebeha Cholomi one or two things after. Even came this year, last year they called the early this year. That he still went there. And then when so many things, the mother remember on the hammer. But without when the mother can or didn't know and oppress the law of the people, the will of the people is being oppressed to be used to glorify the will of the people in power. We are not saying that you people don't have power. People can make the law, people can amend it, but there is a way. Bible says there's a way that seems right unto a man. There is a way that seems right unto a man. This thing now, like this. It disrupts the flow of the place. Like for example now, on one day your plan is to do something ago. Check is ending my burial this week. Doing my wedding this week. And then people will be afraid to enter into the town. Whether by air or by road. Oh here be nanya, more money in a guard advisor. Oh here be nanya. The vice no we hand a weapon and Liano. We have you nanya after much consideration in IFOK. Ni haya affect you kwani. Na say happy hakoside. You subend them mother small. You begin to take lectures from somebody like Alex Oti ha Kenugu State and omoro onye violence we am. Violence anara achieve anything, but you are saying you are fighting for the interest of Anambra and can you not actually fight for the interest of Anambra. Come together, all of you in the southeast, as go this governor say, okay, we have reached an agreement. I know about to see port to do tour in the southeast. Starting from Anambra and Ebe do tour, we have a maximum of 3 years to achieve this thing. Ungwa, all hand on deck. Happen the mother kame we have on Hanema. When this one now in this country, I have grown to understand that the government of this country as a whole, not only Anambra, are not given to the people. Rather, they are taking and imposing. What did I mean? Haya nalega nalo, na kuna tax, na kuna tithe, na kuna revenue, na kuna yenka. Na ego million na kude too small. Unka from today na kuze 10,000. This is somebody we have never given ogweja ko busanya ko or tractor. Manepote na near proceed from the farm or jewepote from his farm, which you did not even empower him to farm. That is how all of you behave. That is how all of you behave. When the people you surround the are hypocrites that are not telling you the truth. I actually have you maybe a government by then I hand this APC Anambra State. But God will never accept it. And then this video going from.
My Honorable Governor, Governor Chukwuma Soludo, Able Governor, I don't know the reason why. The politicians, particularly. Numero the arrogant, the politicians. Yeah. Have fighting for good. You people are always fighting for bad. Ebu governor, although Anambra State, I go calm. Anambra State now do calm. Omulo Balana Kwafu. For Anambra State. People not no Christmas, about Christmas of man. Now, HRA brought Anambra before back. That is what we are trying to do now. Now we feel try. Kibu Shigata Anambra before, Kepo Shigata back. Kebi do Papa Fuga Balomo Mado. All the Kobalanka Kwafu na Anambra State last year, middle of last year. Obalanka he Ofogugunanya. You are okay with it. Obalanka Hadugo Dionalo. Now you need them to share more blood, more innocent blood. Every governor, sit at home now. You are fighting for every Monday. Chop look at it. Chop what is your concern for that thing? Governor Chukwuma Soludo, have it in mind, you. Onya will be that here. Onya will chop. Chop ever here for Hano. They are paying tax for it. Come up tax. So you don't have any fucking reason. You just chop mother. Jebashi Hoyi Mafia because of your a governor of Anambra State. Man, you can't sit for that seat forever. You are not in that seat forever. Now, I told you Obala Madonna, Pafu, Blozi, Buteru with Ibozu. You are okay with it. And those people were with our security personnel. The masses are good that they are okay with the sit at home. Why are you fighting for sit at home? Why are you fighting for it? We are okay for the sit at home. But you governors will stubborn here because you are working with security. In Aga with security, so you are not afraid of that. If people obey, start coming out on Monday. Governor Chukwuma Soludo, leave anything security. Isogi, Potani Mafia, go and Dashia Nolo, Ono Zuchafia Monday, and now without security. Ono no Katona, the blood of innocent soul, Ono Yapafu, Mbobi do Parana, Tibe. Insecurity in Anambra State, no yinka, right? But no one with the governor with the key of insecurity. Governor Chukwuma Soludo, I want to tell you one thing. Please share this video. If you get this video, share this video to go viral. Governor Chukwuma Soludo, if you want to fight for us as Anambra, if you want to fight for us as a governor of Anambra State, let me tell you what you will be fighting for us. Governor Chukwuma Soludo, number one, go and fight for seaport for us. Yes, I am Liver Niger. Do enough Airway Seaport. Go and fight Seaport for us. KMPLI Seaport in Anambra State. Ka Seaport in Anambra State now function. Kaliva Niger Seaport now function. Ki aten se dollar more cheaper. O mazibo ka hana ibunata afia na Igbo. Ngoko ale uze kwusi na Lagos. Ka hana ibunata la afia na Igbo. Na Onisha do. That is what we need. If you want to fight for us as a governor. The second one, Governor Chukwuma Soludo, go and fight. KMA our airport. Umulere Airport, Anambra State Airport, KMA International Airport. That is what we will be fighting for us. Go and fight KMA International Airport. That is what we need. We didn't ask you to stop sit at home. No, why they say stop sit at home for us. I not know December. Why December? Class they say you work I'm not here na December. Na December. About December. January. You want them to continue. Keep the public blood of innocent soul. I really share tears can follow innocent people. Kuzu hadine no anisha. With Ibozu. Chepe all mogo. Chepe all dinago. Dinetua. Apatanya those people who are security personnel. That is how your people like to waste innocent blood in the name of politics. People are going, we love the sit at home. Can't you leave the sit at home for us? No. So someone that businessmen who is weekend. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Wednesday, Friday and Wednesday, Saturday and Wednesday, Sunday meeting. Only that Monday came ready Allah as Zuike. And I fight to sit at home. So we feel you fight in Anambra. If you say better thing you're going to fight for us, not sit at home. Please make sure you share this video. Viral. I want him to get this video. Because maybe on your one love.